So our topic for today is going to be Amazon Alexa Together. It is formerly called Alexa Care Hub. What is Alexa? So for those of you who doesn't know Alexa, Amazon Alexa, or usually referred to as just Alexa, is a virtual voice-controlled AI service developed by the company Amazon. Users can keep up with the news, play music, create a smart home, or control the smart tools in your home, such as turning on or off the lights or adjusting your home temperature, and even make phone calls using Alexa. So, I just want to show you guys the compatible devices with Alexa. So, this one right here is a security camera, and this is a light bulb. Also, this thermostat is compatible with Alexa. You can see here what works with Alexa. It says works with Alexa. How can we use Alexa? Alexa operates through Echo Smart speakers. So these are Echo Smart speakers. Echoes are small voice activated devices. You can just simply say, "Hi Alexa," to turn on your Echo and ask it a question or to perform an action. An example given, play music or call someone. So don't get confused. This is the device, and then Alexa is the AI or the voice. These are the Echo devices and the prices. The Echo Dot third gen smart speaker with Alexa is $54.99. This is the newer version. It's like a ball. All new Echo Dot fourth generation smart speaker, which is also $69.99. And this one has a camera, so you can do video calls. It's called All New Echo Show, which is $99.99. This one is for the car, which is $69.99. Next is or are the benefits of Alexa for older adults. Users can be connected with their relatives even virtually. Using Alexa, they can play music or handle hands-free calls. So what are hands-free calls? When you're calling someone, you need to type their number or search on your contact list their names right, but in hands-free calls, you can just say, "Alexa, call Jennifer," and it will automatically call Jennifer. Hand-free calls can be very handy for people with limited mobility and or vision, or in the case of a fall. For example, someone has fallen, they can just say, "Alexa, call Jennifer," instead of typing it on a phone if they couldn't even reach it. So it's much more handy for people with limited mobility or people who has fallen. For those who have difficulty operating smartphones or computers, asking Alexa questions is an easy alternative to navigating the internet and apps, because you can just say, "Alexa, how's the weather today?" and it will automatically tell you without having to type it on the tablet or iPad or devices. You can tell Alexa to set alarms and reminders to notify you about upcoming events or routines also. Next, what is Amazon's Alexa Together? So Amazon's Alexa Together, don't get confused, it is a subscription. So it is another feature. It is formerly called Alexa Care Hub. Alexa Together is an additional feature that allows you to check up on your older loved ones. So specifically on your older loved ones, or for your loved ones to check up on you. Using the Alexa app on your smartphone, even if you are far away from them. You can use it to monitor your loved one's Alexa activity to see what they are doing or if they need help. So these are the features of Amazon's Alexa Together. On September 28, 2021, Amazon announced its new Alexa Together service. It replaces and it incorporates the Alexa Care Hub. Alexa Care Hub is the outdated version, and the updated version is Alexa Together, which adds a fresh features to make the monitored person's safety less dependent on a single person. It is not currently available, but you can go to the Amazon page and sign up to receive an email when it goes live. So I'll show you later how to do that. And currently only available in the US, with plans to extend to other regions in the future. So it's not available yet in Canada. It is a remote caregiving service used with Echo devices. So take note of that. You need Echo devices. With Alexa Together, caretakers can monitor their loved ones' Alexa activity remotely. For example, make sure they are being reminded to take their pills. So, for example, I want to remind my mother to take her pills. I can do it using my smartphone, and then Alexa will remind my mother to take those pills. If someone needs assistance, they can just say, Alexa, call for help, and then your emergency contact will then be called. But if in a dire need of emergency, you can also just say, Alexa, call 911, and it will automatically call 911 for you. And it will also alert your loved ones that you've called 911. The subscription includes customized alerts, 24/7 urgent response, activity feed, circle of support, remote assist, fall detection response. So for the circle of support, these are just people who are monitoring you. For example, they will be notified that this is your first Alexa activity of the day. Customized alerts can set this up in order to check in the case that someone hasn't used Alexa for a while. So if, for example, my mother hasn't been using Alexa for a while, it will say that mom hasn't been or don't have an activity Alexa activity for a while. It will alert you. And then next is the fall detection response, which is, I think, this is the most important feature of this subscription. Echo devices or third party devices can monitor physical activity, and in an event where it detects a fall, the device will automatically call urgent response and notify emergency contacts. So it detects fall detection. It has a fall detection response. Remote assist. This next feature is the ability to set up alerts for a loved one. So what I've mentioned earlier, I can set, for example, a reminder that my mother should drink her pills at this certain time of the day, and then Alexa will remind her. But you need to like get a permission from that loved one to be able to use the remote assist, because for example, what if you want her to jog at 5 a.m and she doesn't want to do that? So she can remove you and you can't use the remote assist. Next is the 24/7 urgent response. By saying, Alexa, call for help, what we've discussed earlier, your loved ones can contact professional help at any time. Alexa Together pricing. There will be an initial offer available where you can sign up for 6 months of the service for free. So the first 6 months is free, but after the free trial, the pricing will be either 99.99 per month or annually 199.99. Take note that this is in USD because this is only available yet in US. Will be available in the US soon. I'm sorry. It will be available in the US soon. For wider release, availability in other countries will be rolled out sometime in the future. So setting up Alexa Together, first you need to purchase an Amazon Echo device. If you don't have it already, you will need one in order to use the Alexa Together service. Next is to go to the Alexa Together web page of the Amazon website. So I'll just show you. So this one, and the next step is press this one, email me when released. So going back to the presentation, this one, email me when released. Next is sign in to your Amazon account if you haven't already. If you don't have an Amazon account, you can create one for free with your email address. And then fill out the Alexa Together survey by answering a few questions, then click submit. And then you'll be emailed as soon as the service is released. What are the benefits of Alexa Together? It offers your loved ones a sense of independence while the caretaker can actively monitor them and feel at ease. So this one is the major concern, the privacy. So caretakers cannot see what specifically their relatives are doing. They just can see if Alexa has been used throughout the day. So for example, you ask Alexa about the weather today. It will not tell your family members that you asked her about the weather. It will just say that this is the first Alexa activity that your loved one has done. Your loved ones can contact you if they need help or vice versa. Contacting emergency services is also easily accessible. So these are Alexa Together frequently asked questions. What do you need to access this subscription? First, to make the most out of these features, you'll need an Echo or Alexa enabled device with stable Wi Fi. Additionally, you'll need the Alexa app as well. Enable features such as Alexa calling or enable video chat if you have an Echo Show. Echo Show is the one that I've shown you earlier, the one that has a screen. It's an Echo device that looks like an iPad mini. Can multiple people use this subscription? Yes, but it will be available early next year. Does this feature provide support for multiple people? At this time, it will only support one person through Alexa Together. So don't get confused. It will only support one person, but the support circle can be different members of the family. There are also alternative services. If you aren't in the US or don't want to wait for Alexa Together to launch, there are many other similar products and services. You can click these links right here after we've sent the PowerPoint presentation. Thank you for listening. If you'd like to learn this lesson with a Cyber Seniors mentor, please go to www.cyberseniors.org or call 1-844-217-3057 to register for a one-on-one phone session. We also host weekly tech drop-in session from 2 to 3 p.m. on Thursdays. Thank you.